Hello everyone, my name is John and I'm the science educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and we are out at our eco station to check out this cool new device that's been installed called a secchi disc. This helps us see something and look into something called turbidity. Basically that's just, is the water clear or is the water really mucky and hard to see? So I'm going to bring my friend in, Catalina, to help me figure out how this machine works. Awesome, so I have my friend Catalina here. Wave to all of our fans out there. She's gonna help show you guys how this works. So Catalina, if you could grab the handle here, it's attached to this rope, and then you'll slowly let it down into the water. So lift your arm up, good, and then peek over the side. So now the secchi disc is about 15 to 20 inches into the water to take our measurement. Now you can kind of see it though right now, but when we pull it, go ahead and pull it back up so you can see how clear it's supposed to look. So pull it all the way down and then hook it underneath. So if the water was perfectly clear, the secchi disc would look just like this. So it looks like we have some turbidity, which would mean that there's some particles that are floating around in the water that makes it hard for the turtles in here to see sometimes, and it also makes it hard for some of these plants to conduct photosynthesis from the sun. So it is important for us to study and drop this into water to see how clear and healthy our pond is. So hopefully you know now how our secchi disc works. So next time you come to the museum, check it out. It's really easy and you can see how clear the pond is for all of our turtles. So I'll see you guys next time. Again, my name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston.